Hey guys, so I got another Eric Nam album. This is his digital single, Ooh, signed. I don't think you can get it unsigned. Back. So all the time, every time I see his albums, they're always signed, even when you buy them signed. Then we have our CD, and it does come with a mini photo booklet. I mean, it's not that long. It's kind of hard to find the next page to flip though. We got our lyrics. That's kind of it for the photo book. And then it did come with this, I guess they're those cheering towels, maybe? It's kind of like that wicking fabric. There we go. So it says Eric Nam Ooh on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and until the next one, bye guys.